Hello everyone. Yes, I am Geeta. Today topic is multitask catch demonstrator. Hello everyone. Today topic is multitask catch demonstrate. What is meant by multitask catch demonstrate? This stimulate provides the capability to model a small sized catch on a system that support multitasking. In most of modern processors today, it is often the catch that multiprocessor will be need share the resources of the system. This is the multi-catch demonstrate. The processes on this system must be scheduled in some fashion. We will explore some of these various scheduling methods being run on the system to share the available resources. If the system only has one CPU, this means the processor may have to yield the use of the CPU for another processor. We call the operations of stopping one processor and starting another content switch. Since these processors are also sharing the cache of the system, it is possible that some of the blocks requested from the second process may be mapped to the same set in the cache memory. If there are no more available slots in the set, one of blocks from the previous processes will have to removed according to the replacement algorithm being used. At some point, however, the first process will be allocated to continue, whether it left off. However, the second process has left a footprint in the cache and has replaced some of the first processor blocks. And now the first processes must including a penalty while it reloads the blocks. It was until utilizing before it was removed. We call this penalty the reload transistor. Next, configuring the stimulator. The stimulator provides many options that the user can set off mixing various systems and scenarios. The catch content is treated as one word, 4B per block. After configuring the available options by pressing the update configurations button, the users can that generate a series of memory access of the searchers. A table displaying the memory reference generated for each task will be displayed. The users can press the scheduled task button scheduled task button and the series of memory access will be ordered scheduled according to the algorithm. Choose in the schedule mechanism option field, and finally the steps or run button can be used to show the state of the catch at various cycles. The catches also will show which task the corresponding block is currently occupying a slot, and you will also note that the memory reference will be highlighted bold when a given miss was the result of a reload transistor. Next use random access sequence. Specifies that a random series of memory reference should be made based. Next, locality probability. This option attempt to consider the range of blocks requested can be generated by each task and provide priority. This option allows the users to access a priority to each task. The same priority may be assigned to multiple tasks. Allow more than 35 memory reference. This option must be set if you wish to set one or more of the task number of memory reference option to value higher than 35. Number of memory reference. These options allow you to define how many memory requests you would like each of the given task to be used in the stimulation to make. Clock option allows control over the number of cycles that are run upon each process. Tips. This is the advantage. The same stimulation can be run as many times in row of necessary. After the stimulation complete, simply press the steps or run button again, and it steps or run button again, and it will start the stimulation over again, keeping all of the same parameters and memory reference. And next, configuration. Cache size 16 blocks, associative 4, block replacement policy LRU, scheduling policy FIFO, CPU time slice N bar air, slash of task 1. This is the multitask catch demonstrate. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.